For example, we have two different, contradictory genealogies of Jesus. Two of the Gospels present for us the descendants of Jesus. Jesus was descended from such and such, who was descended from such and such, who was descended from such and such. And they contradict each other. Not only do they contradict each other, but we also find that they contradict the Old Testament. So there is a contradiction between these two genealogies, and then there is also a contradiction between the information contained in these genealogies and the information we find in the Old Testament. This is a problem. Then we find other contradictions. For example, we find the Gospel almost inevitably. Every single event that is described in the life of Jesus has a small difference, and sometimes quite a large difference, in a description of the events. For example, the so-called resurrection of Jesus, when Jesus is supposed to be resurrected and comes out of the tomb. We have different descriptions. In one of the Gospels it tells us Mary Magdalene went to the tomb. That's just her on her own. In another Gospel it says 3 of the women went to the tomb. In another Gospel it says all the women went to the tomb. In one it says they saw 2 angels. In another one it says they found 1 angel. So we find that the accounts are different.